We're calling this Tractor Stuck in Hot Tub by Woody Bell. Mr. Woody Bell will be coming out of the house shortly. This is a first.
I was hoping to find a dead body or a pot of gold under this thing.
That's Scotty. He's an accomplice in the tractor in the hot tub adventure. Now, I was with Mr. Woody Bell in Hawaii, and I let him drive the Jeep for 15 minutes. And he got us buried up to our armpits in red clay. So, what's the moral of this story?
Don't let Woody drive.
Don't let Woody drive. Mr. Bell, how does one feel about being the first person in history to get a tractor stuck in a hot tub?
I'd like to accept my award on behalf of...
Mind you,
this actually stuck.
Mind you again, for those who weren't paying attention earlier, we let Mr. Bell drive a Jeep in Hawaii. Got it buried in red clay. I still have some of that on my clothes. That was a year and a half ago.
I got one of these blades. What about right here? Where it's hanging up in between the tire and that. Yeah, it'd have to be like... We just have to cut it away until we get to it. I wish this thing was stronger so it could like lift itself. It's like a bucket.
This is called a conundrum.
Awkward bitch.
And we'll be back later with Woody, Jeff, and Scotty's backyard adventure.